Nanda Gopal Goswami Father Ki. Right. So this is the thing. So that's verse 24 about this Krishna peeping Tom, peeping Krishna. Blessed are the maidservants who render such sublime service. I think that's the end of the Leela. Now that's the Leela of the verse. Because the verse says, when will this maidservant wash your lotus feet, brush your teeth, and rub oil on you and massage you? And the purport says Narayan oil. So now there's some tattvas, some points in the purport, in the tika, which we'll discuss. How does a devotee get spiritual visions? How do we get such visions of Leela and experience of Leela? It depends on our intensity of our devotional yearning, our utkantita bhava. How much eager, how much do we want? Confirmed. Yeah, the boots in the kitchen. Ghost in the kitchen. So how do we get these spiritual visions? It depends on utsaha, enthusiasm, and utkantita, eagerness, yearning. When a sadhaka has such a vision, he feels as if Radharani is taking him or her by the hand. The more purified our heart becomes, the more these such transcendental experiences are felt. By the mercy of Gaura Sundar, all these beautiful things have been revealed by the acharyas. Is there any other cause of lamentation if I am deprived of such a treasure that they came to bring? Although I was born in the period of Gaura Sundar, this is a point that Srila Anantadas Babaji made repeatedly in his Kartik lectures every year for 30 years or whatever. He's lecturing so many years. He would make this point all the time. He said, how unfortunate it is nowadays, especially over the last 30 years, nowadays, he would say like this in Bengali, translation I heard, I don't know Bengali. He said, how unfortunate is that nowadays, these days, so many thousands of millions of people are coming to the Gaudiya Sampradaya, but they're not getting this great gift of Lord Chaitanya. Anarpita Trim Karuna Kalavana Chiram Chirat. After a long time, Krishna has come, and then after Krishna came, Lord Gaura Sundar came to give this Mandri Bhav. This is a great gift of Gauranga Mahaprabhu, Gopi Bhav. He says in Chaitanya Charitamrita, Gopi Bhav Angikar. Angikar means accept. Everyone please accept. I'm giving this gift. And the Goswamis are giving the gift and teaching us how to realize the gift and how to get the most value out of the gift. The gift is Mandri Bhav. What is Mandri Bhav? How do you attain Mandri Bhav? How do you practice in Mandri Bhav? What is Mandri Bhav sadhana? All these kind of teachings are given by the Goswamis, especially Rupa and Raghunath. Rupa Raghunath Apade Hoy Bhayakuti. So, Anantadas Pandit was a great Vaishnava Kripambudhi. The Vaishnava is an ocean of kripa, compassion. And so he's a great acharya, so he felt so bad that so many thousands of people from India and all around the world are taking up Gaudiya Vaishnavism, but they're not getting the treasure. They're not getting this great gift of Gopi Bhav. When he said it, Vaitadas was telling me, because he was translating the lectures in English for so many years from Bengali. He said, Ananta's voice, he's like crying with compassion and sadness. It's so unfortunate, they're missing this great thing. And we feel that way also, like you Dowji is busy writing so many books to explain about and publishing books about the Mandri Bhav Upasana and whatnot. Out of compassion to help people, take it. Like Lord Chaitanya, we say, We say, Namo Mahabharanyaya Krishna Prem Pradayate. I'm giving you Krishna Prem Pradayate. Take it, take it. We say, oh no, I'm busy with, Raj Bhog. Socializing and, even, anyway, to get let's get back to the point. So this is the point, that how do we get the vision? We get the vision by hankering for that, and lamenting if we don't get it. The aspirations for Radharani's Nitya Seva do not awaken in an ordinary heart. They awaken in a person who gives up all dependence on the material world. How can Radhadasya, the service Radharani, find a place to live in a heart which is filled with worldly feelings? The influence of Maya must disappear from the mind and intelligence. Krishna tells Arjuna in Gita, Manarpita Manobudhir Yomad Bhakta Same Priya. This 12th chapter, Gita. The devotee who has offered his mind and intelligence to me, Man Buddhi Arpita. Arpita Mano Buddhir. He's offered Arpita mind and intelligence. He's Priya. He's a Priya Bhakta. He's Priya to Krishna. He's Priya Bhakta. Like they say, Man Tan Dan Krishna Samarpan. Man Tan Dan Guru Samarpan. Means Man means mind, Tan means body, and Dan means assets. Your talent, your abilities, your wealth. Without being fully absorbed in bhajan, one can never attain Radhadasya. So that's the point. It's about how to get the spiritual visions. Ye tamam prapadante. As you surrender to Krishna, he rewards you. He sees your so much hankering, so much lamenting for this. Okay, because Krishna is Bhakta-Vatsal. He's very affectionate. Like Vatsal means like Vatsa, like a calf. Like a mother cow loves her calf, her Vatsa, baby calf, so much. The calf is here. She's looking at him the whole time. Calf is tied up here, mother's there. Mother just doesn't turn her back, look out the window that way. She just points her head towards the calf. The calf's looking all around like a little, just being a calf. Looking at the birds on the fence, the monkeys. She's looking like this, like that. But the mother's just looking at the calf the whole time. It's because the cow's love for the baby calf is called Vatsa. And that the love of the mother cow is the greatest example of pure affection and motherly affection. So it's motherly affection, parental affection, motherly affection is called Vatsalya Bhav. So Krishna is Bhakta Vatsalya. He's like a mother. He forgives like a mother. He nourishes like a mother. He punishes like a mother. He spanks you. He punishes you. But he rewards you, he compliments you, he guides you, he teaches you, he does everything. Bhakta-Vatsal. So Krishna, because of his affectionate nature, when he sees how serious we are to try our best to do bhajan, to meditate on lila and do seva there, he'll reward us with spiritual visions and an ever-increasing absorption in the meditation on Krishna's lila. This other point is, we have to learn the seva. We have to learn about the seva of Radharani from the acharyas. And that's what we're doing by studying this book. What's the time? Okay. Yeah, I see. So the point we're making is we have to learn how to serve Radharani from hearing from the acharyas.